so I'm at Hershey Park and my grandma's here and my mom's here and I'm showing you how to set the bed.
What you call it?
So I have the frame and the mattress type thing.
The Sam's insulated bag.
And
With
leave that on. Right there. Look at that. She has a magic 8-ball here. And she has to get all of her jammies on. So I am going to get her nightgown all ready for her, put her in the bed. And by the way, what time is it, Grandma? Like 10 o'clock?
I think so.
Yeah, it's pretty late.
10:15.
10:15. So I'm just going to put this there and Reed came really late. So I put her jammies there. And I'm not going to set up everything, I'm just going to set up her bed because it's really late. So I'm going to get some of her toys on there so she can snuggle with them. And this one, this one. And she's going to put Jeff on there and her dog Maggie. Oh, and I can't forget about Stormy. So that's Stormy there, Jeff, so his best friend, and Maggie, her dog. So there's a lot of stuff in my bag stuff for her, but I'm not going to get that out right now. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to change her. And
Hello?
this is
I
her.
found you.
Yeah, so she looks at her nightgown. I'm going to take her shoes off.
How do you know that? Oh.
Yeah, I'll do the rest off camera
So we
because
stopped,
change.
so we just got in
So
there.
see you in a sec. So I just finished getting her all ready for bed. So she has got her outfit on, her bed, her nightgown, and put her Hershey hoodie and her jeans over there, and her shoes there, and everything she needs. Jeff is right here, gonna be with her the whole time, and then Christy. And actually, her name's Julie. Why am I saying other ones? What about Julie? What am I saying? Her name is Christy. Her name is Luciano. And that's Jackson. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll get her outfit ready for tomorrow. But you don't have to see that. But just to let you know, she looks, her glasses are there, a magic 8-ball, and everything's there. And I have a matching tail that matches that. So, and that was my foot. So, yeah, this is her bag after everything. She's in her car seat, and her car seat converts into a bed in case I ever needed another bed. And that's her bed, as I showed you. And a lot of her stuff's in there, and a lot of her stuff is in there, and yeah, it's a whole big thing. So, but I'll see you tomorrow morning. Just woke up, I got her all ready for the day, and I'm all ready too. We brushed our teeth and ate breakfast, and yeah, this is what she looks like. She's got Jeff right there with her and her iPad, and then this is what she was saying yesterday. She's opened up her bag, this is her sweatshirt and her pants, and her shoes are behind her head. But yeah, that's pretty much it. She's got the mermaid tail, and yeah, see you later. Got her dress a couple days later, and I got her a little puppy, and his name is Pickle, and this is the puppy's little crate. And so, yeah, so I just wanted to get you up. I did a cool hairstyle, and yeah. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.